Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Lesiba Mothupi, back again onto my YouTube channel. On today's video, obviously, on Sundays I like to make sure that we dive too deep into the charts, meaning that we look at some of the top 6 pairs that we have. Not only that, but with the premium members, obviously we look at these top pairs. We look at also not just the top pairs, but some of the bonus setups, meaning that if I've got top 6 pairs that are super sick, we dive into it and then find out that I've got other pairs that are high quality, but they are not like the best that's out of those pairs. So I also have those as our bonus setups. So that's actually what we're focusing on. And right now with you guys, I'm gonna be picking some pairs that I wouldn't mind sharing with you guys. And obviously make sure that you are also in the Telegram group, because in the Telegram group, that's where I'll get to share the analysis too. So if you're not in there, make sure that you do share. And I was actually speaking to the members and alerting them of the smaller time frame method that I use, which is super profitable. Also the members in the Signal team are excited, because each and every day is just take profit and so on. So it's something that I want to be working on moving forward. It's actually something I want to be evolving, also the Forex Jesus 2.0 into, maybe a section where I can show members on how to apply it, the strategy and so on. And hopefully I will see you guys also in the team, as if you obviously want to gain more knowledge, more information, much more deeper information about how I see the markets. So without wasting any more time, guys, let us jump into it and I'll share with you guys some of the pairs that I see for the week. Starting with the very first pair, which is the S&P 500, the US500 markets. Okay, so remember, it's the same things that we're seeing. US500, US100, US30, it's just the same things. We're looking at 30 companies, 100 companies, and so on. So with this one, I'm going to keep it super simple. As you can see, a lot of wins are more cut to the upside. Remember that I shared a sell setup here. We saw a sell, we were seeing a sell somewhere around here, if I may think of it. I believe it was still somewhere around here, and it didn't progress toward, actually even short a bit more. Yeah, I think we saw, yes, we did see a pattern, because I remember I did clean it out, but I think we saw, okay, sorry, but we saw a pattern here within structure, yeah, and we saw a deeper one right here, I believe. So it didn't play out too well. Instead, it continued going to the upside, and here we were able to see a buyers. It went up, and also me just going through the market and backtesting on my own, just seeing, what actually wins more, buyers or sellers. But you can see here it's buyers, and here we are actually looking for a buying opportunity. We are looking for a buying opportunity, and sorry about the noise downstairs. If you guys can, if it's distracting you somehow, my daughter, my lady, they're here with me. So one of the reasons that I'm doing this here, but yeah, she's making a noise down there, and she's growing old, so she's getting a bit more messy. So you can simply see impulse push, obviously now correction, we looking for the next impulsive push, and obviously I've got this area as my first touch, second touch right here. We want price to come down here, give us a significant touch here, then once it does go up, that's when we are looking to buy. First target obviously is going to be here, but we are looking to capitalize a bit more to the upside. We are looking to capitalize a bit more to the upside, even though this is the first target, meaning that we can catch a trade here. Obviously stop is going to be right here, 40 pips. Then first target can be here, we can be looking at 5.8%. Then obviously maybe second target can be these areas here, 7.8%. Then we can just continue going up with price. So it's going to be a beautiful trade on US 500. Okay, let me just do, okay, no, not that. So this significant area that I have here, I actually drew it from the 15-minute, as you can see. Same thing, just now we're on the 15-minute. I actually drew it here on the 15-minute, and it's going to be amazing because you can simply see a rejection area. So once price, yes, it came back down, it went a bit more to the upside. Now we're looking for price to come back once more to the downside. Once it gets here, let's see if maybe advanced patterns do agree with us. Let us see if advanced patterns do agree with us. Okay, yes, I highly do believe that it can agree with us, because you can simply see we've got this area, X leg, the A leg, B leg right here. You can see it retraced all the way back to 61.8. So I can easily just take the extension right here, put it here. And obviously, how I've shown you guys this method of trading. Our entry should be at 127. So this is where our entry level should be. So basically we're looking to catch an entry somewhere around these areas, and obviously our stop is going to be super minimum. At first it was giving us 40 pips, but now with the knowledge that we have, we can have anything close to 25 pips, super safe. So first target we said it's here. You can see now we're making the first target be 9.7. Then obviously next targets, which is close to here. As you can see, I'm looking here, 12 percentages. So it's going to be a beautiful trade. I'm very confident in taking US500 now. Only once it does get here, once it does get to my, I won't buy when it's still within here. I'll only buy when it's down here, and I'll only sell when it's somewhere around here if it does give me an entry. But for now, I'm looking for buys. Buys are a bit more, they have more power compared to the selling side. Okay. EURJPY. So last week I felt bad because we missed a beautiful trade. How the markets were last week was like exactly like this. I think it was still here. Yes, I think the markets were still here during last week, and we spoke about it during the live session. We said that this is going to be our support area. Price can just come 1-2 touches, maybe give us a double bottom right here. If not double bottom here, we can just see price trying to give us a third touch here, and then we'll take a buy and see what actually happened. I missed that. I hope you guys did manage to catch it, but I actually did miss out on this, because just take a look. First hammer sign, beautiful engulfing, another sign hammer right here. We're getting signs here. So obviously right here we'll be looking for buyers right here, because we are already at the significant area. So obviously catching a trade would be just above here. Stop loss, you can easily have a stop loss here, but just to be on the safer side, put it just below here, 21 pip. Then maybe your first target would be here, and price just went up. Because I remember when I saw this trade, it was during the AMs, so I was like, let me wait for it, and then I will enter once it did confirm, because it was like down here. It was still somewhere here, so I wanted it to still come down here. And after I forgot about it completely, and then during the day when I look at the charts, this is what I saw. I saw it shooting all the way to the upside, and I was like, wow, missed out on a beautiful 4.7%, but it's okay, it's chilled. Let me remove this. I hope that you guys did catch it though, because we spoke about it. But I'm seeing another opportunity right here now. So price obviously impulse up, young correction, impulse correction here, a bit more steeper correction. But you can simply see that we retested these areas, these support areas, came back to retest, then we went back to the upside. Obviously we have our trend line here, on which if you just take a look at here, we broke out of this trend line impulsively, which is amazing. We broke out impulsively, and after we broke out impulsively, on the 15 minutes we have a beautiful retracement candle. Normally we wait for this. We have a beautiful retracement candle, and after this retracement candle, you can simply see the price broke out of structure. So yeah, obviously the market is going to open. I'm trying to, the best entry that one can get would be if you just allow the market to come a bit more to the downside, activate you somewhere around these areas here, so you can still have a minimum stop loss. You can maybe have a 10 pip stop. As you can see, very safe to have a 10 pip stop, and your target can still be the same targets, but now you're making more. You're making 4.7 percentages on a single trade, unless if you have maybe a buy stop above here, then you can still have your stop loss somewhere close to your 13 pip. The target still can be around here, which is now 3.59 percentages, which is still cool, which is amazing with EURJPY, which is amazing. We're looking to capitalize on a big move to the upside, just like this. So hopefully, yeah, this is what we are going to be getting. Just have to be smart on how you catch this one here and you capitalize moving forward, but it's going to be a beautiful trade overall. Let us take a look at Nasdaq, US100. So you saw me, we jumped into it, and it's exciting. I'm super glad that we actually did get to see these pairs, because not only you will be able to make a profit from understanding how they're going to be moving and so on, but you took something back home and you were able to see a different perspective. If you saw the same thing, which is amazing, it means that we are moving forward. And if you didn't see the same thing, it also means that we are moving forward, because you're able to see something different, and you can either know if you should work on it on yourself, or if it's something that you can play with. So just make sure that you are always on my YouTube channel, just to gather more information on forex material, the forex education indices too. Just make sure that you're always on my channel to just understand how it is that I see the market. Obviously, if you want to be much more better notified, hit the subscribe button below and it will give you much more better notifications when I do upload. Like this video also so you can get to reach more people out there. Not only that, check out the description below if you want to be a part of the Forex Jesus 2.0. Obviously, if you want to be a part of the Telegram group that I spoke about, there will be a link down in the description box below and you'll be able to get instant access to it. So boy, Lesiba Mothupi, and I thank you so much for watching my video.